日過嚟參觀我哋呢一個鴨脷洲香港仔，係期望會做啲乜嘢嘅事嘅呢？
傳統嘅漁村文化咯，
上世界艇嗰度參觀。
Through this series of guided tours, students can learn about the history and the culture of Hong Kong's fishing villages, encouraging a sense of identity with the Chinese culture and the respect of cultural diversity. This is particularly significant for cultural heritage preservation and the cultivation of values. We want students to have the opportunity to learn about the history of Hong Kong's fishing village culture and understand customs beyond what is in textbooks. At the same time, we tailor our programs to align with school subjects and other learning needs, providing engaging life-wide learning experiences while promoting the Chinese culture. We also hope that students can gain insights from a STEAM perspective, such as learning about the techniques of fishing through exhibitions of traditional fishing tools used by fishermen in the past. We understand that safety is essential for outdoor activities. During the guided tours, our guides and onboard staff will remind students to exercise caution when boarding and disembarking. And life jackets are available on the boat to ensure that the activity is conducted safely and in an orderly manner. During our guided tours, students can take a boat ride and engage in interactive activities, such as speaking with the captain and staff to learn about fishing village lives and culture. They can visit a traditional houseboat, sing tanka fishermen songs, and taste authentic boat noodles. In the past years, we've organized tours for over 100 schools and welfare societies, with teachers noting that students enjoy the activities and learn a lot about the fishing village culture.